morning. Welcome to another episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. Hey, good morning, everybody. Back up here at the property, trying to get some projects going. Right now, what I'm doing is, as you can see, getting water and doing some maintenance stuff for the trailer. And then after that, the goal is to get started on the second trailer. What I want to do is start stripping the top, take everything off the roof so I can replace that wood and start doing those repairs. So we'll see how much I can get done today. We came up last night. It's always great to be up here. All right, stick around. Let's get to work. I finally got an opportunity to kind of really go over the trailer and look at what's going to be needed when I start working on this, being that this will be the next project. And what I found out is the roof is really, really bad. It's got a couple holes in it. The wood up there is starting to rot out. So let me show you that. So there you have it. The trailer needs a lot of work. The roof, as you've seen, is rotted out, holes up there. That's the most important thing. I think once I get that fixed, everything else will fall in place. I really want to get this trailer done. It's a good second living quarters, for guests, or if we have people to come up, if I have some people to come up to do some work, they can use that for that. So, yeah. Got that project, got the stuff that I need to get it going. We'll start working on that next time. Okay, so I finally was able to come over here and start on the trailer. I had some other stuff going on that I had to get done with my other trailer and with the Rhino. So it was about noon before I got started over here. I'm getting ready to take everything off the top. Before I can remove anything off the top, there are some things I had to remove on the inside, so I'll share that with you now. So I got to take the air conditioner off, and so what I have to do, this is like the control unit to it, and like I said, it's okay to let it hang. It's not hanging by fragile wires. The only thing is, you have a connection that comes from the AC up there, and that plugs right in, right down there. So got that out. Coming back here. Oh, also what I did so that I can move, I took the doors off. So got the doors out of the way. And I don't know what they call these, but the little, I guess they like a little bezel or something for the fan and for the skylight in the shower. Guys, look, I don't know who did this, but that ain't how you stop a leak. You don't put a bunch of foam and I don't know, roof sealant or whatnot, but we'll take all that out and I'll get that done the right way. So we got that one out. And then the one in the bedroom, we got that one out. So now I'm ready to go on the roof and see if I can get everything off the roof. that's the goal today. If I can get everything off the roof and kind of get the old membrane, start peeling that off. If I can get that far and then put the tarp over so it doesn't get any more rain damage, it's a successful weekend. So this is what I'm about to start trying to tackle. It's a lot of work. I think I'm gonna start from the front and try to work my way to the back. But you can see it's in bad shape, but we're gonna get it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna get it right. All right, time to start trying to take all this stuff off the roof. Well, I got everything off the roof, and I even got my tarp on it, but I forgot to take a video to show you what it looked like. The only thing I did was took everything off. I didn't remove the membrane yet. I'll do that on the next visit. But I'll show you what it looked like with the tarp on it. Looked like a big old Christmas present. There it is, got the tarp on it. See here, see if you guys can see up top. I can't get up too high, but there's the top. So, but the main thing is I got it covered and I shouldn't have any more water damage. So that's it. Yeah, I wanted to do a lot more recording. But like I said, I got up here and there were some other things that needed to get done with my trailer. I had to get that done. I had a little electrical issue, and that took a lot of the time that I needed to do this project and film it. So that's why I didn't get a chance to film a lot of, removing the AC unit, the vents. What else? There's the plumbing vents. There's another vent for the refrigerator, the antenna for the radio, and the TV. That was what all got removed. But I'm happy that I got it all removed. Oh, and I also took off the luggage rack. I left the back ladder on. I detached it from the roof, but it's still attached in the back, so I can climb up there until I get a bigger ladder. All right, gang, that's it. Sorry for the short video, but it wasn't a whole lot to film today. Like I said, all I wanted to do was get the stuff removed off the roof so that I can get this tarp put on so the rain won't continue to rot the wood out and cause any more damage. And I was able to get that done. Okay, that's it for me. I'll catch you guys on the next episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. You guys be safe. I'll see you. Peace.